Welcome to the Rome Tech channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tech reviews and helpful tips. Here's our review of Keeper Tax Software, a solution designed to simplify tax season for freelancers, gig workers, and independent contractors. Links to the product are included in the description below. Keeper Tax stands out as an innovative tax software specifically tailored to those earning income outside of traditional employment. It streamlines the often complex process of tax filing, focusing on maximizing potential deductions. If you're juggling multiple income streams and managing your own expenses, Keeper Tax can be a valuable tool for organizing your finances, tracking write-offs, and ultimately reducing your tax burden without the added stress. One of Keeper Tax's most impressive features is its automated expense tracking. By securely connecting to your bank and credit card accounts, the software scans transactions in real time, intelligently identifying potential deductions. From mileage and home office expenses to subscriptions and supplies, Keeper Tax works proactively to ensure you're claiming everything you're entitled to. The software leverages machine learning to continually improve its accuracy and provides a user-friendly, text-based interface for easily categorizing and flagging expenses. Beyond expense tracking, Keeper Tax also simplifies the tax filing process itself. The software generates IRS-compliant reports, including a detailed breakdown of your deductible expenses and essential forms like Schedule C for self-employed individuals. This comprehensive reporting makes filing significantly easier, whether you choose to DIY or collaborate with a tax professional. Furthermore, Keeper Tax offers on-demand access to licensed tax professionals for personalized guidance and answers to specific questions, providing an extra layer of support. Accessibility and simplicity are key advantages of Keeper Tax. Its intuitive mobile app is perfect for busy freelancers on the go, allowing you to manage your taxes anytime, anywhere. You don't need to be a tax expert to navigate the software. Its user-friendly design and smart recommendations handle the complexities for you. Additionally, Keeper Tax helps you stay prepared year-round with helpful reminders and tips, minimizing surprises during tax season. In short, Keeper Tax is a valuable resource for gig workers, freelancers, and small business owners seeking to improve organization, maximize deductions, and make tax time less overwhelming. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and reliable tax solution, Keeper Tax is definitely worth considering. Check out the links in the description below to learn more and explore their offerings.